Hello, everybody. I am Yudru from the Prairie Math Committee, and today I'll be presenting round 146 of the elementary school questions. Round 146 will be the last round before of the 2022 to 2023 school year. So happy summer vacations, everybody. The answers to the questions are all on the top of the page here. If you guys just want the answers, they please feel free to take a screenshot or something. But I will be going through all of the questions in detail right now. So, question number one. To shovel all of the snow on his driveway, Seven needs 12 hours. Individually, Colin needs 8 hours, Jonah needs 6 hours, and Allison needs 4 hours. If Seven, Colin, and Allison all work together, how many minutes do they need to shovel all of Seven's snow? So, to approach this question, I first created a unit. So, let's suppose that the total amount of snow on Seven's driveway equals 24 snows. I chose the number 24 because 12, 8, 6, 4, they all divide quite well into this number. And snow is really just an imaginary unit to make this question a little bit easier to solve. So, if we know this, then 7 shovels snow at a rate of 24 snows divided by 12 hours by 2 snows per hour. Using the same logic, we can get the pace that the others shovel snow at. Colin shovels snow at 3 snows per hour. Jonah shovels at 4 snows per hour. Typo, sorry. And Allison shovels at 6 snows per hour. Therefore, the total speed or the total rate when all 4 of them shovel snow together is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 equals 15 snows per hour. So the total amount of time it would take is 24 snows divided by 15 snows per hour. But if we just solve it like this, we would get the amount of time it would take in hours. But this question is asking for minutes. So we times this by 60 minutes, as there are 60 minutes in an hour. After doing the calculations, we will get that the total amount of time in minutes to shovel all of Seven snow would be 96 minutes. So now on to question 2. The values of R, S, T, and U are 2, 3, 4, and 5, but not necessarily in that order. What is the largest possible value of R times S plus R plus U times R plus T times R? So this equation can be simplified into R times S plus U plus T. After we get this, we realize that in order to obtain the largest value of this equation, we would need R to be the largest possible value. So R would equal to 5. The rest doesn't really matter, as it would all be added together. So 5 times 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 5 times 9 equals 45. So the question to number 2 is B, 45. Question number 3. Jay has $120. He gives 1/3 of his money to Jeff, and he gives 1/4 of his remaining money to Ben. How much money does Jay have left? So this is a simple question. 120, the amount of money he has initially, minus 120 times 1/3, the amount of money he gives to Jeff, equals 80. Or 120 minus 40 equals 80. And then the remaining amount of money, or $80, minus 80 times 1/4. The amount of money that he gives to Ben equals 80 minus 20 equals $60. So the amount of money that Jay has left is $60, or option number A. Question number 4. The bicycle travels at a constant speed of 15 kilometers per hour. A bus starts 195 kilometers behind the bicycle and catches up to the bicycle in 3 hours. What is the average speed of the bus in kilometers per hour? Let's make a simple diagram from what we currently know. We know that the bus starts 195 kilometers behind the bike, and we know that the bike travels a certain distance before it is caught up. So the distance that the bike travels before it is caught up is the distance that it travels in 3 hours. So 3 hours times 15 kilometers per hour equals 45 kilometers. So let's fill in the distance here. 45 kilometers. So once we know this, the total amount of distance that the bus travels in 2 hours is in 3 hours is 195 kilometers plus 45 kilometers equals 240 kilometers. 240 kilometers divided by the amount of time, 3 hours, equals 80 kilometers per hour. So the solution to this problem would be 80 kilometers per hour, or B. Question number 5. One soccer ball and one soccer shirt together costs $100. Two soccer balls and three soccer shirts together cost $262. What is the cost of one soccer ball? So let's suppose that a soccer ball costs X dollars and a soccer shirt costs Y dollars. Therefore, X plus Y equals 100. 2X plus 3Y equals 262. As we only need to solve for X, let's have X equals 100 minus Y, a variation of the first equation. Again, we substitute it in. So 2X plus 3 times 100 minus Y equals 262. 2X plus 300 minus 100. Error here. We should be substituting Y with X. So let's move this over again. So because we only need to solve for X, we're having Y equals a number of X, so that we can get rid of the Y in this equation and solve for X directly. That was a mistake on my part right there. So if we solve this equation, we will get minus X equals minus 38, or X equals $38. So the answer would be A. Now, question number 6. Joe filled up his car's gas tank. After traveling 165 kilometers, 3/8 of the gas in the tank was used. At this rate, approximately how much further can the car travel before its fuel tank is completely empty? So let's suppose that's a total distance the car can travel on a full tank equals X kilometers. So 165 kilometers equals 3/8 of X. X equals 165 times 8 divided by 3. X equals 440. However, we're not solving for X. We're solving for how much further it can travel. So 440 minus 165 equals 275 kilometers. So the solution to question number 6 is E, 275 kilometers. So that is it for this video. Hope you have a summer vacation, a good summer vacation, and that you will be joining us for next year's Prairie Math Week. Have a good day and have a good summer. Thank you, everybody.